DeAndre Jordan was intentionally fouled over and over and over again during Game 4 of the Western Conference semifinals. During his post-game press conference, reporters asked Jordan what his thoughts were when the Houston Rockets started intentionally fouling him 3 minutes and 40 seconds into Sunday's Game 4 in the Western Conference semifinals.
What was your thought at that point?
Yo, answer the question, man. You can't just get up.
I just tried to stay focused. we executed.
DeAndre had a historic night at the free throw line. His 28 first-half attempts were the most ever and a half of an NBA playoff game, topping Shaquille O'Neal's 27 attempts. Jordan was 14 of 34 from the free throw line, and he had a double-double with a career playoff best 26 points and 17 rebounds. Jordan handled the Hack-a-Jordan strategy well. "I didn't really know how many free throws I was shooting," Jordan said. "I was just trying to make as many as I could for our team. On the other end, just try to get us as many stops in a row. In that stretch, they scored a little bit, but we were able to get stops and cut their lead a little bit in the first quarter." Los Angeles defeated Houston 128-95 on Sunday. The Clippers now own a commanding 3-1 series lead. For more sports news, visit us at thefumble.com. To watch Blake Griffin crack up after Chris Paul says dick, click here. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events.